Okay, my dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Mohammad Kamal Hossain, lecturer at Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for the students of class 7. Already we have started this content in our previous classes. We are going to start construction part exercise 9.3. So dear students, first of all, comments to me the top line of the board and right side, left side, everything okay. Can you hear me? Can you start our class formally? Dear student, do comments. The board diagram, top line of the board, right side and left side, lighting is everything okay? Can you hear me? Already Rapsan Hawk said, okay sir, there are 60 students connected with this live class. My dear students, you can take this in a comments to your friends to be connected with this live. So hopefully we are going to start our class formally. Dear students, in our last classes we started 9.3 and we have done question number 10 and 11. We have done constructed a triangle where two sides and one angle are given. Then we have done that. So we have completed the drawing of the figure triangle, and today we are also going to start question number 13, which is one of the most important question here. So dear students, be prepared or get ready your geometrical box, and we are going to start construction here. So I am waiting just to connect more students. Only there are 60 students. My dear students, sound Rohan, sound ektu baran. Okay sir, just I am using microphone and there is also the ceiling fan is going on. That's why the sound may be a little bit lower to you. So please give attention properly. Inshallah you can hear. I will say sound not clear. Now you can hear me. My dear students, now sound is okay. Can you hear me? Dear student, now sound is okay. Please do comment. Sound is now okay. Can you hear me? Already I have using here another phone. There is sound is also okay, and if possible just use a earphone here. Hopefully you can hear loudly. Now sound is clear to you. Okay sir, sound is now clear. We are going to start our class. My dear student, be prepared with your geometry box and just you can draw this figure with me. Then hopefully your concept will be clear, and if you face any problem then you can do comments. So our first question here, we are going to start it. Question number 13. The angles and side of opposites. We are going to start question number 13. Question number 13 is the two angles and the opposite sides two angle and the opposite side of the first angle. Opposite side of the first angle are given. The information, construct the triangle. Construct the triangle. And here question number A. 120 degree. First question, 120 degree, 30 degree and 5 centimeter. 120 degree, 30 degree and the 5 centimeter. Three information are given. And question number B given here. 60 degree, 30 degree and 4 centimeter. 60 degree, 30 degree and 4 centimeter. So dear student, can you see this board properly? I think okay. So my dear students, you can start with me. Our previous classes we have done when the two sides and one angle or two angles one side are given. We have done the drawing of construction. But today information is most important. Just only for this word, which is the opposite. The opposite side of the first angle are given. Then construct the triangle. So my dear students, we will start our class formally and using this compass. So hopefully you can prepare your pencil compass with me, and if you face any problem then do comments. First prepare your pencil compass here. Okay, first information, two angles, 120 degree and 30 degree angle. So draw these two angles. We will use okay. First question, we will start from the number A. First information here, 30 degree and 120 degree. We can start it from 30 degree angle here. Using pencil compass or protector, you can draw the triangle of 30 degree. Okay. First one. So we will use here, this is the 30 degree angle. Now draw a 30 degree angle here. The first information, we will start here. Draw a 30 degree angle. So you can use 30 degree angle using this pencil compass. Like the first one, we will start it from here. This is our key point. First we will draw 60 degree angle. Then we will divide 60 degree angle into two parts. Each angle will be 30 degree. So now started here. Draw a 60 degree angle. Sorry. Okay, my dear students, we are going to start here first 60 degree angle. Then we will divide this angle into two equal parts. Now, this is the first line for 60 degree angle. Now, we will first draw here this one. This one is the first, attention. This line is for the 60 degree angle. And now you can draw here 60 degree angle like we can start it from here. This one is for 60 degree. Already we have done the last classes 60 degree angle. But now we will divide this one into two parts. How to divide? By set an angle. Okay, just give attention. This is the 60 degree angle. Now we will divide this angle into two equal parts. Just start it from here. Taking the radius greater than half, draw an arc here. and taking the center as here. So now just find out this point and draw a line here. So this is the 30-degree angle. My dear student, first we have started 60-degree angle and then we divided into two parts, and this one is 30-degree angle. So first we can consider this angle as a angle, or we can mention this angle as a angle is like X angle. Mention this one is X angle. Already this part is completed. If you have faced any problem, please do comments. Sir needs to talk, so we cannot. Sir, please, dear students, just complete this one. If you face any problem, please do comments. 30-degree already done. Now we will draw here 120-degree angle. As like as previous one, we started here 60-degree. Now we can start at 120 degree as like a 60 degree. Okay, just give attention how to draw 60 degree 120 degree by using this pencil compass. Just make a center point here and draw. Just make a center point here and draw an arc. Just now give attention, this one will not change. The same radius, just point out here, this one is a center. Draw another arc on the previous one. And this is now 60 degree is complete. Now we will take another 60 degree from this above point and cut now another 60 degree. And this is now 120 degree. My dear students, just as like as previous one, first portion will be 60 degree, then adding another portion is the 60 degree. Now this angle will be, now point out this one, this angle will be this is 120 degree. 120 degree, we can mention this angle as a Y. Here two angle 120 degree and 30 degree. The another part, two angles and the opposite side of the first angle. Okay, we can mention this one as the first angle because our first angle is 120 degree. So we can mention this one is as a X, or this one we can mention as a Y. The first angle X and second angle is Y. So now this is the 5 centimeter. A side equal to 5 centimeter. So three information are given. The first angle is 120 degree, second angle is 30 degree, and the opposite side of the greater angle is 5 centimeter. And using this information, you have to draw a triangle here. So, my dear students, did you complete this one? The 30 degree, 120 degree, and 5 centimeter? Please do comments. Please, if you have any problem doing this one, please do comments. I'm going to start at the second part. That is how to draw the triangle step by step. Sir, can you repeat again 120 degree? Okay, sir. Okay. Actually, 120 degree we started here. The double of 60 degree. Like 120 degree. One student said, sir, repeat again 120 degree. First, taking any radius as you wish, taking any radius, and then center at the point here, and just taking the radius, we started here an arc and taking the same radius, just started from here cut the first portions. This one will be 60 degree. Then taking the center in this point, new point, cut another arc which is also will be another 60. This is the first 60. This is the second 60, and together they make 120 degree. And this is the opposite side of the first angle. Now using this information, we will draw a triangle here. So my dear students, give attention. This is most important part here. First started. I think this line is this. Yes. Okay. We can start it this one. Okay. Draw here, taking any ray as considering this one as a B D. Taking any ray, the first step taking any ray BD. Now cut the point and take the measurement here. This one, first step. Just take the measures of your side 5 centimeter, and just you can take the exact measure of 5 centimeter. In my whiteboard, just I took here the greater one. This is the 5 centimeter, and taking this one, cut a line segment. Yes, cut a line segment here. This one is. This one we can consider this one is C. So this is the 5 centimeter. Or number A, you can use here A, already we mentioned here A is the 5 centimeter. The first step is complete. Now this is the already given here, the opposite side. So opposite side of first angle. So A is the opposite side already. So X angle will be here. Dear student, give attention. X angle will be here, and this one is the opposite side of the first angle. The first angle is X 120 degree as far as question, and this side will be opposite of angle X. So now technically we will apply the angle 120 degree here by using alternate angles. Already we know how to draw alternate angle, corresponding angle within a parallel line. So my first step, give attention, we will take here at the point B and at the point C. Draw 30 degree angle. Again, hear me properly. At the point B and at the point C, draw 30 degree angle, which is mentioned in the angle Y. So now we will copy this angle here at the point B and C. So dear students, first take the radius. Yes, this is the exact value. So now we can start it from here. So at the point B already complete the same angle at the point C. The right side. Is it clear to you? Now taking the measures here, how much portions you see. This is the same. Yes, just now properly take the measures here. This one will be little bit greater. Yep, I think. Yep. Okay. This is now exact value. Okay. Now just cut here. First one. Here. Second one. Okay, my dear students, now mention this point here. This one is the first one. This is the second one. And now Draw this angle here. Okay, at the point B, yes, at the point B, our angle is done. Now at the point C, our angle is done. So this is the second step. Dear students, give attention again. First line, draw a line segment BC equal 5 cm from the ray BE. Now at the point B and C, draw Y angle equal DB. You can mention this one as F. DB, or you can use here E, and there you can use here M. So this is the ray, and you can mention here the ray. This is the 30-degree angle, or you can mention here this angle is Y. You can mention why this angle is Y. Now this is our final step. This is the most important part here. So already we have started this. Sir, one student said, okay sir, are line diye put. Okay sir, acha bora scale ta use korbo. Thank you sir. Dear students, try to give attention here, then you can start. Now this is the most important part. We are going to start now, and we will apply 120 degree here. 120 degree here due to parallel line. This 120 degree converted here as a alternate angle. We know, my dear students, give attention. If the two parallel line here, if you draw here 120 degree, suppose if you draw here 120 degree, this angle will be equal with this 120 degree because they are alternate angle. By using this concept, we will draw here 120 degree, then this one will be shifted here. Once again, using this alternate angle concept, we will draw with this Y angle, we will draw here angle X. Okay, now give attention how to draw 120 degree angle here. So we will start it. Give attention. First take, taking the C as a center. Sorry. Okay, dear students, first yes. Okay, taking the same radius like this one. Okay, now start it from C. You can use here rubber bed to draw properly this angle. Okay, dear students, this is the first portion. Taking here the same radius, draw an arc and C as a center. We draw the same arc with this Y line or CF line. Now this is the first part, and now started from here, not from this point, just started from here, CF line, and first cut the first 60 degree angle, then from here cut the second 60 degree angle. Oh, we have to increase this one little bit greater. First draw this one, the first arc, and taking here, then this is the 160 degree, then again the second 60 degree here. Okay. Now mention this point. This is the here. Started from this point. Now we can start at this one. Using, I think it would be better. From the point C, yes, this is now CG, and these two rays intersect at the point A, where A, B, C is required triangle. Okay, my dear students, this angle actually, when this one is an angle X, as a parallel line, this X angle will converted here angle X. That is, this one is 120 degree. Give attention, let me explain now. We see here like the two parallel line. The first one is B parallel line. This one is BE. Another parallel line is CF. And this is the first angle 30. This one is 30. Now, if you draw a parallel line here, if this angle is 45 degree or 90 degree, if this angle is 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree. Because these two parallel line, and this one is a transversal between them, there is also another transverse. So if this angle is 90 degree, this one will be 90 degree. Because they are alternate angle. Like if you draw another parallel line here, this angle is 120 degree, this one will be 120 degree. So similarly, when this angle is 120 degree, this X angle will be 120 degree. Now just explain the figure. A is the opposite side of angle X. We didn't draw here angle X, we draw here angle, we drawn here the angle 120 degree. But due to alternate angle, this angle shifted from this point to here, CAB, like angle CAB angle equal CAB angle equal FCA angle. FCA angle equal 120 degree. Because they are alternate angle. Give attention, CAB equal FCA equal 120 degree because they are alternate angle and AC is the transversal. And now opposite of the angle, great angle X is 5, already we see in the figure, and another angle is here. So ABC is a required triangle. So my dear students, if you have faced any problem, please do comments. Now I will review your comments. And now you can start at number B. Okay, first write here. I think if you understood properly, write here yes. And if you face any problem, please do comments. Now I will review your comments. Sir, কইরে ভাই ডায়াগ্রামটা দেখে তো আমি পড়ে যাইতেছিলাম. Please don't do any irrelevant comments. Inshallah you can understand properly. And if you face any problem, please mention. Step 1 we have done. We have drawn 30 degree, 120 degree and the 5 centimeter. 30 degree and the 5 centimeter. Then in the second step, using this information, X angle, Y angle and A, we have draw the triangle. as per as requirement. So my dear students, if you face any problem, please do comments. Rohan Sharif, no sir. Salma, yes sir. It was a little bit hard. Lamia, okay sir, I will repeat again. This is the next question is also the same, as like both are same. Number B, the 60 degree, 30 degree, 4 centimeter. So, yes sir, Ahmed, sir, angle GCD equal to 150. There is no 150 degree. So GC angle GCD. Yes, GCD is this is the 30 degree angle. This is 120 degree angle. This total sum will be 120 plus 30. Yes, this is 150 degree angle. Who said this one? A C D angle. The sum of two parts, the angle Y and angle X, their sum is 150 degree. Said Mohit Rehman. Thank you, sir. I think you said this both are the. Sir, repeat again. Asma, I have done it. Thank you, sir. Asma Siddiqa said, sir, repeat again. Okay, sir, I will repeat again. Inshallah, just stop your convert. Please do try to avoid irrelevant comments. Give focus to the classes. Sir, ABC repeat. ABC repeat, please. Okay, sir. Thank you. I think. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am repeating. Okay, first step. Dear students, give attention. I am repeating again from the first line. I think we students add with this live just 5 or 7 minutes later. That's why they did not understand this one properly. Dear students, give attention. Two angles and opposite angle side of the first angle. We mentioned here the first angle 120 degree as the X. Opposite side of first angle is given and construct the triangle. Okay, first information, this is the first angle. We draw here 120 degree. And say how to draw 120 degree, that means taking any radius. That's first it will depends on you. Take any radius, draw an arc here from X. And now you cannot change this one. So first cut from this point to first one, this one will be 60 degree. Then from this point cut another point, this one will be another 60. And together 60 plus 60, this one is 120 degree. And here another angle is 30 degree. So how to draw 30 degree angle? Basically we started here and first we draw here 60 degree angle. This line is for the 60 degree angle. Give attention. If we mention here this is the X, P and Q. Like X, P and Q. This angle is 60 degree. And here now X, P and O. Just mention here O. X, P, O angle. This is the 30 degree. First we draw here 60 degree angle. Now how to bisect an angle? Just taking here one point, draw an arc. Draw an arc taking the radius greater than half. Draw an arc here and taking the center point this one. Draw another arc on the previous point. Now joining these 2 points you will get here 30 degree angle. And another information, the greater opposite side of greater angle is 5 centimeter. And using this 3 information you have to draw the triangle. So my dear students, first step, give attention properly. I am saying first line to last line. Take any ray BD and cut BC line segment equal A At the point B and C, draw angle y equal DBE angle equal DCF angle equal 30 degree. That means at the point B and C we have drawn here angle 30 degree, that is y. Now this is the third step. At the point C, give attention properly. At the point C, draw FCG angle. At the point C, draw FCG angle equal angle X equal 120 degree, and CG and BE. Again, CG and BE intersect each other at the point A. Now ABC is required triangle. It's the complete. Dear students, now if you have any problem, please do comments again, or if you understood this one properly, write yes or done. Okay, sir, we will discuss the next one, almost the same. Okay, dear student, start number B. This is like as number A. Just start at number B. Almost we have said in the first question how to draw 60 degree and 30 degree. My dear student, start question number B. Within this 5 to 10 minutes, we will complete question number B. Yes, sir. Done. Thank you, sir. Already said. So second part. Gustasina Nabir Moli. Okay, sir, I will discuss this one again in the question number B. Okay, the both question are the same. Okay, give attention here. Okay, first information 60 degree angle. So draw as like as previous one 60 degree angle. Already we know how to draw 60 degree angle. This is the first information 60 degree, 30 degree and 4 centimeter. This is the question number B. We will draw here like okay, my dear students, so I think yeah. Okay, the first one 60 degree angle. Now draw 60 degree angle. This is the angle X. I mentioned this one is angle X, this one is Y, and this one is side A, which is given the 4 centimeter. Now first one 60 degree angle. Okay, draw here taking any radius, like now taking the same radius. Draw here. This is the 60 degree angle. Already we have done this one. Now use this. আমরা এটা measurement করে দেখো our what done is right or wrong. This is the 60 degree angle. The angle X is the first one 60 degree angle. Now you can measure this one 60 degree angle. Wow, my dear students, can you see this point is 60 here? I started from 0 to 60, that means this line passes to the point 60. Just give attention. The 60 So our work done is right now. Okay, now set at the point Y, we'll draw here 30-degree angle. So now again draw here 60-degree angle, then divide this 60 into two parts. You will get 30. Yup. This is the first step. Now this one is 60, and now we will draw first step. This one is 60. This one is now 60, and we will divide this 60. But our second angle is 30-degree. Now divide this one into two equal parts. Just taking here the center points. First, draw an arc. Again from this previous one, draw another one. And this is the point for 30-degree. Yes, this is the 30-degree angle. 60 by set of 60 is 30, and this is the 4 centimeter. Considering this one as a like 4 centimeter. And using these three information, we have to draw first angle. Okay, my dear students, now we will start from the second part here. Okay, draw here considering X is a 60-degree angle X, and now opposite of 60-degree angle is the is 4 centimeter. The first step is like as previous one. Where is rubber pad? Yes. Now we can start it from this point. Yeah. I think. Okay, my dear students. This is the line you can consider here. B. This one is E. And draw 30-degree angle at the first cut the line segment. This is the as like as previous one. Cut this one. Cut this one taking the same measures. This is considering C. Now at the point B and C, draw 30-degree angle as like as previous one. Draw 30-degree angle at the point B and C. Okay, 30-degree angle, give attention. Okay. Just again you can take the measures if you feel any doubt, taking the same at the point now C. Yep. Now bisect this one. Yep. This is now same. Taking the half. This is now 30-degree angle. So mention this one. This is the first 30-degree angle. This is another 30-degree. Yes, this is the angle Y. 30-degree angle, angle Y. Now you can mention this one E, B, like G, and this one is E, C, K. There are two angles. Like we can use here E, BG angle equal ECK. ECK equal 30 degree. Now the final step, as like as previous one, at the point C, using this line CK, we have to draw angle 60 degree. Dear students, give attention. This is the final part here. At the point C, now take the measures here. What is the radius? Yeah. Yes. Now taking these measures and started from this point. Yes. This is like as our previous one. Now just find 60 degree angle. This both will be same. Just taking here, you will get the same questions. So now from starting this point, here already we started the 30. Now 30 plus 60, this one will be 90 degree almost. So my dear students, our work done is almost completed. Now this is the point. Draw line here. Give attention. Yes, we have to produce this point G little bit greater. এটাকে আমরা আরেকটু বড় করে দিচ্ছি। This is the point we can mention here, G. Now, my dear student, this is the 60 degree angle, this is the 30 degree angle, and together this one is 90 degree. So we can mention this one. 30 plus 60, this angle is X here. That is, this one is 60 degree. This one is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. And now, this line is C. We can use here J. CJ line and BG line intersect each other at the point A. That means when these two lines are parallel, this 60 degree angle will equal with BAC, which is alternate angle. And this is also a 60 degree angle. That is now ABC is required triangle. So my dear student, both are the same. Give attention. And this is the most important theorems here, construction here. And in this each exam, you have to answer these types of question at least 4 to 6 marks. So dear students, if you face any problem, please do comments. I have to complete my iftar. Wait to play free. Sir, dear students, if you understood this one, please write yes. And if you face any problem, please do comments, my dear students. So I will repeat again. Please do comments. Within a 5 to 6 minutes, we will complete our classes, my dear students. If you face any problem, please do comments. Already one student Sultana Rani said, sir, repeat again. Sir, thank you, sir. I will repeat. Okay, sir. Okay. Any more questions, sir? Please repeat the 60 degree angle. Mohit Rehman. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Shahanaz Islam, sir. Amar Shop Milse. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Abrar Khalif understood. Thank you, sir. You have understood now. Farida Yasmin. Thank you, sir. Sir. Okay. Done, sir. Thank you, sir. I think next comments. Please, dear students, the last দিকে বুঝে নেন স্যার, আবার একটু রিপিট করেন। ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ। আই উইল রিপিট अगेन। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট মোহাম্মদ Nur Nabi, sir, please repeat. Okay, sir, I will repeat again. 50 minutes is over. I think, sir, you can take more times. Sir, I have to complete this one within a short times because I have to prepare my iftar. আমি রোজা আছি, একটু ইফতার রেডি করব। আমি ক্লাসটা বেশিক্ষণ কন্টিনিউ করব না। মাই ডিয়ার, ওকে স্যার, আমি তোমাদের কয়েকজনের রিপিট ছিল একেবারে। ফার্স্ট অফ অল, গিভ অ্যাটেনশন হিয়ার। Just I am repeating how to write the construction properly. Dear students, give attention. This is an angle x equals 60 degree, y equal 30 degree, a equal 4 centimeter is the opposite side of greater angle is given. It is required to draw the construction, the triangle. My dear students, again, x equal to 60 degree, y equals to 30 degree, and a equal to 4 centimeter of a opposite side of a greater angle x is given. It is required to draw a triangle. Construction: take any line B, take any ray BE. At the ray BE, cut BC equal 4 centimeter equal A. Now at the point B and C, draw angle y equal EBG angle equal ECK equal 30 degree. And now at the point B, draw KCJ angle equal 60 degree. CJ and BG intersect each other at the point A. Now ABC is required triangle. Construction done. My dear students, just give attention. This is the first step. We done here 30 degree angle. This is also the 30 degree angle, and taking here the measures or radius arc of the 30 degree angle. This is the arc of the 30 degree angle. The first step complete 30 degree angle. Then now, this is the most important part here. How to draw 60 degree angle? Give attention. This is the taking here center and taking the same radius here. At the center, C, draw an arc here. At 60 degree angle, both will be same. Now this is the point. Give attention. We are not doing the 60 degree angle with CF. We are doing the 60 degree angle with CK. My dear students, give attention. We are doing 60 degree angle with CK, not CE. We are doing 60 degree angle with CK. Now this one is same, and taking this intersecting point here and cutting here the same arc. Now joining this one, this line, and intersect previous line at the point A, that is ABC is required triangle. So my dear students, we have completed today's question number 13. This is one of the most important question here. We have done already number A and number B. And I have drawn here the how to figure, but I didn't write here how the step of the construction. I already said how to use. So as your own way, you can write the construction. I think in previous classes when I gave you homework, some students have done only the figure drawing, but they didn't write anything. Please, in the exam hall or exam procedure, you have to write everything step by step, how you have done this one, and explain your figure. And without explanation, you will not get the full marks, and you will get only 1 or 2 marks within 4 if you don't write any step. And if you write the figure properly, draw the figure and write step properly, then you will get 100% mark here. So my dear students, today there is no homework, just you can draw this question number A and B in question 13. Just complete this one properly, then submit your homework. This is no more new homework. Just draw this one A and B properly in your classwork copy, then submit your answer here. And without step writing, you will not get the full marks. So write first figure, then step your figure drawing step by step. So I think if you have no problem, I will leave my class. My dear students, last 1 minute. If you face any problem, please do comments. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Properly understood. Farida Yasmin, thank you, sir. Tanjimala Begum, thank you, sir. Okay, sir. আমার একটু ইফতারি রেডি করতে হবে, আমি রোজা আছি, না হলে তোমাদের আরেকটু সময় দিতাম. Okay, sir. Hopefully see you again in the next class. My dear students, and your step I am giving as a homework. There is no new homework. Just exercise 9.3 number. This is the 13 A and B figure with explanation. Okay. just do this one as today's class and complete this figure drawing, and with a step submit your homework, and I think you have to mention your homework in the Kamal sir homework, then I can find out properly within a short time. So my dear students, those who have enjoyed this class, thank you very much. Hopefully see you again in the next class. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.